Over the next 90 days, 3 tech giants are going to spend more capital than the entire annual GDP of most nations. This capital is pouring directly into physical artificial intelligence infrastructure. The current race to build the smartest AI model is a distraction. Dominance belongs to whoever owns the pipes, the physical compute required to run these models. Historically, those pipes have been locked away inside centralized facilities controlled by a handful of corporations. This absolute corporate monopoly has started to fracture. Independent researchers are actively diverting heavy computing workloads away from giants like Amazon and Google. These workloads are moving to an invisible, globally distributed network owned by anonymous individuals. Developers have mapped out an underground railroad to escape the tech giants' walled gardens. If developers are abandoning AWS, whose servers are they actually using? They're using DePIN, Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks, like Akash. This chart highlights the primary driver. The decentralized network pricing offers an 80 to 90% discount compared to traditional cloud providers. Akash is already processing massive compute jobs for real enterprise researchers. This migration is driven by a ruthless financial advantage. An invisible network of independent computers still needs to guarantee intelligent work without a central manager. Bittensor solves this by using a digital token called Tau to regulate the system. Specialized subnets compete to solve problems, and the most intelligent outputs earn the most Tau. This creates an automated evolutionary pressure, forcing models to improve based purely on performance. The shift began 18 months ago with the release of GPT-4, when the tech sector realized it had run out of compute power. The origin of the global shortage traces back to these high-end graphics processing units. Major players bought up every available unit, creating an artificial scarcity that spiked traditional cloud costs. By cornering the hardware market, big tech created the exact economic conditions their decentralized competitors needed to thrive. With over 40 major AI models released in the last 6 months, hardware demand is accelerating. Nvidia's data center segment growth represents real-time demand for global infrastructure. The DePIN sector on CoinGecko shows a tightening correlation to traditional AI news cycles every quarter. The final marker to track is any traditional AI lab announcing a compute partnership with a decentralized network. The wealth generated by this boom is landing directly in the hands of those who control the decentralized infrastructure.